This TA tech tip is going to show you how to calibrate Q800 penetration clamp. TA Instruments offers 3 different penetration probes. They are pin probe, hemispherical probe, and small parallel plate probe. Choose the appropriate probe for your measurement and attach it to the movable clamp before the clamp calibration. Lock the drive shaft from the touch screen. Install only the movable clamp with the corrected pin attached to the movable clamp. From the control software, go to Calibrate, Clamp, choose Penetration, All Calibrations, Next. Then click on the Calibrate icon. This first calibration step is to calibrate the mass of the movable clamp. There is no need to close furnace for clamp mass calibration. After the mass calibration, install the stationary clamp to the instrument. Tighten the screws with the Allen key that is provided in your clamp kit. For clamp 0 calibration, enter 0 as the gauge block length. Then click on Calibrate. After this is done, click on Next. For the compliance calibration, you just need to click on Calibrate again. After this calibration, click on Next. You can view the calibration report. You have now finished the penetration clamp calibration. This penetration clamp is only used to perform steady and transient tests on soft and stiff materials.